Custom, Waterfront Lake House. Sitting on almost an acre in the shores on Richland Chambers Lake, this home features beautiful custom woodwork throughout, an open floor plan with soaring ceiling in the living and kitchen areas, large kitchen with breakfast bar, master bedroom with spacious walk-in shower and walk-in closet. There's also a private screened-in porch. The 3-bed, 2.5 bath home has 2 bonus rooms, an upstairs half-story loft that doubles as a den or has potential as a guest suite with walk-in closet and attic access, and an office space with built-in wine rack and cooler. Tons of natural lighting. Outdoors is a manicured and fenced yard that gently slopes down to the covered boat dock on RC Lake.